Let me ask you one question, Jimmy. If you could give a single piece of advice to founders and early stage leaders, what do you think that one piece of advice would be?
That one piece of advice would be to record 10 videos on your phone and then trash them. And that is going to get you used to being okay, being in front of that camera, looking at yourself, understanding how you talk and what the background looks like and what the lighting looks like. Maybe show that video to some friends and family and some other folks that can give you some constructive criticism. And then just commit to filming and posting a video once a week.
I love
And
that.
it could be really 30 to 45 seconds is enough to get a peek as to who's behind the curtain.
I love that. And if I could add one thing, you don't have to be perfect. You have to be you and accept the fact that over time you will get better. And 2 years from now, when you look back at your first dozen postings, you will vomit a little in your mouth. Just know that you've gotten infinitely better than you were.
Absolutely.